I made $775 on TikTok last week. Pretty cool. All because of TikTok's new way of making money. If you
can see, this was yesterday actually, evening time around 7 p.m.
The TikTok Shop Affiliate Program is changing people's lives, and I want you to have these same kind of results. This is my deposit for 1 day.
No, I am not kidding. Peep the screenshot. I just think it's crazy because I made basically my month's salary 4 times over, and I probably put a millionth of the effort in.
If you haven't heard all the hype about TikTok Shop, let me break it down. Right now, there's a huge opportunity for people to make a crazy amount of money by simply promoting products from sellers on TikTok. I'm going to explain what you need in order to start making money on TikTok as an affiliate, and also how to get free products from sellers. So make sure to stick around until the end of this video. Now, it doesn't take any special skills in order to promote a product. In fact, let me show you a couple of examples of people promoting products from the TikTok Shop.
The best wireless car charger. What's up, TikTok? Welcome to Zach Reviews. My name's Zach and I review stuff. Today we have the CH Geek Wireless Car Charger M12. This is a 10 out of 10 product. I absolutely love it. It's made out of really solid material. Comes with 2 bracket systems, the one that goes on the dash right here and another one that goes in your car vent, and it comes with a USB adapter. This thing took me about a minute to install. It's super easy to use and it charges your phone, which is really cool. It's $14.99 on sale in the TikTok Shop right now. Click the link below and check it out.
What is up, guys? So if you have Apple CarPlay in your car, but not wireless Apple CarPlay, I'm going to show you an easy way to fix that. So first, you need to grab one of these. Basically, it's a wireless adapter for wireless CarPlay, and it looks like this. All you do is plug that into your USB, go to your Bluetooth, click CarPlay box. Once this code shows up, just hit pair. Now just confirm you want to use CarPlay, and now you have wireless CarPlay.
Most of the videos that I've seen are people just doing simple videos reviewing a product that they got from the TikTok Shop. They're either doing an unboxing video or a review video. Now, the videos that I've noticed that tend to get a lot of views are showing how a product is solving a specific problem that somebody might have. And this is actually a pro tip that I've noticed certain videos get a ton of engagement on. People will misspell or mispronounce something intentionally. Now, the reason why they do this is because they know that there's always going to be somebody who's going to point out their mistake in the comment section. There's always people out there who like to correct other people for some reason, whether it's for good intentions or maybe they just like to feel better about themselves. And whenever someone comments on your video, that creates more engagement. And the more engagement that a video has, the more that the algorithm is going to push it out to a bigger audience. When it comes to the social media platforms, the algorithms, they don't know the difference between good and bad engagement. All they recognize is engagement. And I've also noticed that TikTok will push out a video that has a product linked to it. And the reason why is because every time there's a transaction made on TikTok, TikTok gets a percentage of that sale. So it makes sense why they're pushing out videos that are promoting a product. They're just simply helping you help them make money, as well as the sellers. So how do you sign up to become a TikTok Shop affiliate? So in order to sign up as a TikTok Shop affiliate, you need to have 5,000 followers and be 18 years or older. Now, I know some people are signing up as an affiliate on TikTok with less than 5,000 followers. I've seen some people become an affiliate for TikTok with a brand new account with 0 followers. And that's actually a loophole method that people are using. Now, I don't recommend using the loophole method if you have less than 5,000 followers to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. The reason why is because I've been seeing people getting their accounts banned and their funds frozen who have been using this loophole method. Now, I'm not going to show you how to sign up using the loophole method. There's plenty of videos on here that'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, just keep in mind, if you have less than 5,000 followers and you do sign up with the TikTok Shop affiliate program using the loophole method, there's a good chance that your account will get banned. And there's also a good chance that any commissions that you earn on that account, you won't be able to get access to. But if you do have 5,000 followers, all you have to do is just simply go to your profile. You're going to click on the 3 lines at the top right corner of your screen and click on Creator Tools. And then you're going to scroll down where it says Monetization and click on TikTok Shop for Creators. Then you're going to have to verify your ID, your tax information, and you should be good to go from there. Now, when you do meet the criteria to become a TikTok Shop affiliate, you get approved pretty quickly. And there's also instructional videos showing you how to add products to your showcase. So whenever somebody comes to your profile, they can see any products that you recommend in your showcase. And there's also instructional videos showing you how to pick products to promote, how to create a shoppable video. So if somebody sees a video where you're promoting a product, they can purchase that product directly in the app. And there's also a video showing you how to go live promoting a product. Now comes the fun part. You can get free samples from sellers by either creating a video for them or going live and promoting that product. Now, I've heard some people say that you need to have at least 10,000 followers in order to receive free samples from sellers. I don't know how true that is, but it doesn't hurt to message a seller if you have less than 10,000 followers to see if they'll send you a free sample. The worst they can say is no. At this point, I've received about 7 different products from sellers so far, ranging from an electric screwdriver kit to an RGB floor lamp. And I got a few more products on the way. So that's just a bonus of being a TikTok Shop affiliate. Now, if you do qualify to become an affiliate, I would definitely recommend signing up. Everyday people are earning money on TikTok. Some people are earning a few extra dollars to a couple $100s every month using the TikTok Shop affiliate program, while other people are earning enough to quit their 9-to-5 job. Now, obviously, there's going to be people making crazy income claims or exaggerate how much they've earned. But if you go to their account and look at how many views their videos are getting, it kind of makes sense. Take this guy as an example.
$107,000 in profit is how much money TikTok Shop has been able to generate me in the last 45 days.
Now here's the account that he's using to promote products. As you can see, he has a ton of views on his videos. Now, what do you do if you don't have 5,000 followers and you want to sign up to become a TikTok Shop affiliate? Well, there's a couple of solutions. You can join TikTok Live follow parties. This is where a creator goes live and they have a ton of people on their live. And the whole purpose is to have everybody who's on their live follow each other. But if you do go this route, I would recommend to use it sparingly, because if TikTok sees your account growing too rapidly, especially if you have no videos on your account, that's going to raise a red flag. And then there's another route that I see some people taking. This is where they buy an account that already has 5,000 followers. Now, I don't recommend doing this because you have no idea if that account is in good standing with TikTok, and plus, you can grow your account to 5,000 followers organically. It might take you some time to get to 5,000 followers, but I would prefer doing that over paying for an account. Now, this actually brings me to the third method, which is growing your account organically by creating content that resonates with your target audience. I know this can be pretty daunting for most people. The question starts coming into mind, what type of content do I create? Who would even watch my videos? Which is exactly why I created the Content Creation Framework. This is a free course that you can get access to, and the whole purpose of this course is to help people take their content creation to the next level. This is perfect if you don't know what type of content to create or who you're creating content for. And you can get access to this course down in the description of this video. Now, if you want to learn how you can start earning online without having 5,000 followers on TikTok and without going viral, check out my best recommendation down in the description. This method is teaching beginners how they can create another source of income using social media, and it isn't limited to TikTok. But what do you think about the TikTok Shop for affiliates? Is it something that you're going to try out? Let me know down in the comments. And if you want to watch another one of my videos, then click right here.